Okay, well, again, I'm Mike, and before I get much further, I am going to need some tools. Well, you can see I'm on a campsite, and what I have is a picnic bench that comes with it, right? Casting concrete, literally. And underneath there, I have some of the wood that I bought, some of the cypress. I've also picked up some black walnut at that place across the river. And then I have a couple of bins underneath there. Those are the Plano bins you're going to see come up a lot. I have a smaller Plano bin and a larger Plano bin. I put those in the back of my pickup truck with the fifth wheel hitch, and they actually fit and they stay in there in the open bed during the rainstorms and everything else. Everything in there stays dry. I also have over in the corner my chop saw, which is an 18-volt Milwaukee 7¼ inch sliding compound, which I bring along. I did not bring my table saw. So anyways, I'm going to get the boards, or excuse me, get some of these tools set up so I can start doing some of the measuring and figuring out where we're at on stuff. Okay, so this is the MikroBench that I built in the Instructable Build a MikroBench from 2 stair treads. That's the one. And inside that I have the trays that are going to go above that. But I'm not going to install those quite yet. So there's tray number 2, here's tray number 3. And then I have in there also a lot of the other tools that I'm going to be needing, but I don't want to install those tray number 1 and tray 2 yet, because I think I need to use this for my chop saw, because I want to cut the length first. But the first thing I needed was a ruler, and I've got that. It's just a 6-foot ruler. Now I can go do some measurements for the sofa server table that I'm going to build. I need some heights and some distances.